This is segment number 11 of ShapeEffects videos. In this segment, we're going to detail how to go from clip art to importing that clip art into ShapeEffects. First off, we're going to create an image here, and I'll just close this out and start over. And we're going to create this one, a new image, at 400 by 400 pixels. So let's go do that. And in this image, what we're going to do is bring out the color and go down to color to alpha. And it's already selected as white. See the alpha channel here is enabled, and we'll do that. The image the brush I selected is a cloud that's not in ShapeEffects, but will be shortly. Okay, so I'm adjusting the scale on that image, on that brush. I want to see what it looks like. I can see already that it's overshadowing, so I'm going to bring it a little bit lower, maybe 0.2. Alright, see if that'll work. Right. I'm thinking, okay, let me just take a test run here. Yeah, maybe a little bit. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. 0.23 maybe. Alright. Okay, let me get that centered up better. Alright, if you notice, I'm going to do it a couple times. That's going to give me a better definition and will help stop the bleed through that alpha channel. Alright, so actually, you know what? I'm going to try that one more time, but instead of black, you know what? I want to do that with white. The clouds are supposed to be white, so alright. Let's see if we get this lined up again. There we are. There's my cloud. Do it 3 times, that way it stops the bleed through. And then I'm going to save this image. Okay. And let's see. Okay. I'm going to save it into my area that I usually do for my images for this program. Well, let's see. Actually, you know what? No. Let me do this. I'll put it in under pictures. Okay. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to call this CA for clip art. Okay. And after this, what we're going to do is give it a name, an image name. But before that, we need to select the area within the clip art it's going to go under. And I'm going to put this under user 1. So I'll do CA, capital U, SER1, my cloud.png. Okay. And we'll go ahead and make that a PNG selection down here. Very good. Alright, and I'll save that out. In our the next step is to take that image and bring it into ShapeEffects. Okay, to get to this point, you were to plug in your iPad into the computer, and then click on the iPad in the devices list. And then up on the top, after you do that, you'll see Summary, Info, Apps, iTunes. Well, click on Apps, and that gets us to this point for file sharing. Now, if you notice, this is if you have a lot of apps, you might have to scroll down a little bit to find ShapeEffects, but there it is. All right, all of these folders here within ShapeEffects, once again, do not use. They're used by the program, and as such, we'll just let them stay there like that. Okay, so we're going to drag in our clip art that we were working on, the CA user 1 mycloud.png, and we just drag that over and drop it in. That loads into your iPad automatically, and you'll be able to use it immediately. As soon as it's loaded in, you can use it immediately, and we'll show you that. Okay, so this is my iPad, and I'm going to launch ShapeEffects. So let's do that. and we're going to dismiss that first dialog. Again, if you want or need to email me because of a problem or would like to see some features, do not hesitate. I answer all emails, and I work hard to eliminate all bugs as they're made known. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the bottom and select the clip art. And you notice, here's our sections. Remember, we used the user 1. So let's go down to user 1. And you notice there's 10 sections, user 1 through user 10, that you can use to add your clip art. Each one of these can hold 36 pieces of clip art, a total of 360 pieces. So go do use those as needed. We're going to select user 1 here though, and there's our image that we added in GIMP. It's our clouds, so we're going to add that. Of course, that's white on white, so let's go ahead and make that black. And there's our image, and a piece of clip art there. And we can manipulate that, change it around, however you want to do it. Alright, so that concludes this segment. I hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day.